In this video, I want to talk about how you can angle reverse park. Now, if you're trying to do it and you're hitting other cars like this, something is definitely wrong. So let me quickly show you how you can do it. What you want to do is you want to just turn on your blinker to the side that you want to park and then simply drive up and match your mirror with the parking line. Now for this spot, this will be the line. If this was the spot, this would be the line. And if this was the spot, then this would be the line. So you can see here it's matching up perfect right here. And once you've done this, what you simply want to do is just quickly look behind you and around you and make sure that there's no people or cars, because now we have to drive more into the road a little bit. So here, just make sure there's no one, then turn your wheels all the way to the side, just like this. So we're gonna turn them like this, and then we're gonna drive forward a little bit. So you wanna drive forward until your car is basically parallel to the other cars, as you can see right here. And then what you wanna do is you just wanna check real quick again, make sure there's still no people coming. And once you have done this, we wanna fix our wheels. So fix our wheels and make sure that they're completely straight, just like this. And then you wanna go in reverse and just simply drive in like this and you should be good to go. Now you can put it in drive again and go forward a little bit, or stay in reverse and go backwards a little bit more if you need to. But that's basically how it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.